So at MRO Americas, they have the aircraft maintenance competition every year. And that maintenance competition brings professional teams together with school teams as mentors. The aspect of them getting to train with mentorship, with mentors from the airlines and getting to work with products that they would never get to see here in the school is the real value in that.
But this opportunity has had me out here with professionals from the industry, with people who do this for a living, and they've really just treated me well, treated me like I know what I'm doing and have helped me along the way and really treated me like an adult. And it's made me really excited to get into the industry and get me fired up for the competition.
To take a team costs somewhere around the vicinity of $14,000 between flights, hotels, meals, registration, all the things. Yeah, the STEAM Catapult Fund has been instrumental in our ability to be able to travel there, stay there, and whatnot. There's no way we would have been able to take these high school students without their support this year, for sure.
And then that's when we entered the scene and said, we can cover that. So in the future, we would turn to other Tulsa aerospace companies and say, hey, do you want to help sponsor Tulsa Tech at MRO Americas this year? If so, you can donate through STEAM. And it makes much more economic sense, but you still get credit as being the sponsor for those kiddos. And now you have you have visibility on kiddos that are getting ready to graduate with skill sets that you might be interested in hiring.
I had the opportunity to learn about a program that was up in Massachusetts called the Tax Credit Scholarship. And so Hopper called me one day and he was looking into this program and he said, I was looking into this and lo and behold, you were the author of the bill. And I go, yes, I was. I really like that bill because I think it's just another opportunity for kids to be successful in programs that they want to and get the education not only they need, but that they also deserve.
It's a very cool opportunity to be able to do as a student. Especially in high school, gets your name out there. B, it's something not many people get to do. Only 6 people go. And so it's a very huge responsibility to be able to have, for the instructors to have that trust in you and to have that trust in yourself.
I've really been ramping up a lot lately. Been practicing most weekends and a lot of Wednesdays as well. There's quite a bit of prep going into it and a lot of memorization of my manual going on at home.
With MRO, it's a bunch of different companies, corporations that are all having their eyes on you as a potential employee, especially being so young and being a part of the high school team. So I think that gives me a really good opportunity to put on resumes or to mention at interviews or something of the sort. And not only for those interviews or, potential employers that I haven't met yet, but ones I could meet there while I'm at the competition, which is really fortunate.
It was all based off my 3 A's, and that is attitude, attendance, and academics. And every single one of my students portrayed all 3 of those, and attitude is above all of those. And what I'm looking forward is taking this team and they're going to excel with everything that they did. They've been putting in a lot of work. We're just really looking forward to this opportunity to represent Tulsa Tech, represent Career Tech, and represent the state of Oklahoma at that national and world level.
This was in direct alignment with our board and our mission because we provide grants for activities, events, competitions, and this was one of those that not only is going to change the lives of these young people, but it's going to impact the Oklahoma economy as well because we are producing these leaders, very skilled young people that are going to come into the workforce, coming in at 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place. Out of everyone on a national stage, who doesn't want to be part of that? And so for us to come alongside and provide a grant that gives access to plane rides and hotels and competitions and the equipment pieces that are needed, I had a chance to meet some of the students that are participating. Not only are they super excited, but they were incredibly thankful, which just blessed me, and I know it's going to bless the board because that's the whole purpose of this program.
I don't know of any of our high school students that have ever been on an airplane. I may be wrong, but I don't know if they have been or not. I know several of them work as many hours a week as they can to help support themselves, if not their entire family. It could be a life-changing event for them for sure, and it's definitely a great resume builder. There's not an aviation company out there that's not familiar with MRO Americas.